guys, welcome back to my channel. In this we are going to sing about the experiments for chemistry practical examination. Very important for first PUC lab experiment. This they have given time for 2 hours and 30 marks. And we have 2 to 3 or 2 to 4 experiments, hydration, Viva questions, etc. And let's see the experiment for the chemical practical examination. First is salt analysis. Easy. Analysis are given inorganic salt symmetrical and report one radical and one basic. We have to report the one radical and one basic radical. And next is titration. The another name of the titration is volumetric analysis. We have to determine the strength of NaOH on soluting the oxalic acid, or we have to determine the concentration of HCl on the titrating against the sodium carbonate. This is Viva questions, very important. They ask from Bunsen-Burner pH experiment. This based on this topic they will be asked from. They could ask Viva questions. And scheme of the evaluations. In scheme of the evaluations, salt analysis 1 marks, the determination of the acid and basic radicals, 10 marks for the both. Titration also contains 10 marks with numericals also, guys. A record. Percentage of the experiment performed and recorded. If they have performed less than 40%, they should gain 0. If they performed more than 90%, they should gain 6 marks. And in between you can see the percentage. According to that they have given marks. Like that we have to stress for note. The following salt suggested they must give from only this salt, guys. They should not give both the salt. Inorganic salt and the other mentioned above but given in the traceable manual can be given to students in regular practical classes for practical. All the experiment as they mentioned in the first PUC practical manual published by the Commissioner of Pre-University Education are to be conducted and recorded. Yeah. These many chapters have been asking from the portions or topics asking from the lab experimental of the chemistry examination. I think this video might be very useful to you. You could score out of 4 in chemistry practical examination. You can think on the examination about me. You have studied important topics with you guys. And do not forget to subscribe, like and share, guys. Bye guys.